What you must do now is to give me your attention, your serious rapt attention, as we'll be looking at physics, JAMB physics question, Expo questions, possible questions that you could look at in physics. Of course, you know, as a science student, you already know that JAMB physics is very important. Physics in JAMB is very crucial. I don't need to remind you again of how important physics is. Now, what we'll be doing in this particular video is looking at physics questions that are not calculation based. You know, science subjects like chemistry, physics, mathematics, we have the calculation aspect and the theoretical aspect, right? And many a times they ask more questions from the theory aspect than even from the calculation aspect. Some people focus all their attentions on the calculations, not knowing that JAMB also asks a bulk of the equation from theoretical aspect. So we will still do videos. There are other videos where we'll do calculations, but in these videos we are picking out questions that are theoretical and answering them for you. The essence of this is the more you watch the videos I'm doing on physics and the other subjects like biology, use of English, and all other subjects we have done videos on, the greater chance you have to score 300 and above in your JAMB, which is our target. Our target, our covenant, our goal is 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it. 300 and above, nothing more. 300 and above, nothing less than 300. Nothing less than 300. Let's go to question number 3. Which of the following is true of an electrical charge? Which of the following is true of an electrical charge? A. Positive charges means deficit electrons. B. Negative charge means excess of electrons. Right? Okay. C. Electric current means movement of electrons. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. All of the above. I don't want you to rush your watching of this particular video. I want you to watch it for the first time, come back again and watch it. Also, if you watch this particular video from now to the end of this video, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables. Free JAMB past questions, and I'm going to give it to you free because these are the tools, the materials you need to equip yourself for the JAMB battle we are entering into. Okay? So we said the following: positive charge means deficit electrons. Yes. Negative charge means excess of electrons. Yes. Okay. Then electric current means movement of electrons. That is correct. That is why you say all of the above. Let's look at question number 4. Question number 4. Natural radioactivity consists of the emission of A. Natural radioactivity consists of emission of A. Alpha rays and beta rays. B. Alpha particles and beta rays. C. B. Alpha particles and X rays. C. Alpha particles, beta particles and gamma rays. D. Y rays and X rays. The answer is C. Alpha particles, B rays, beta rays and gamma rays. Right? Okay, that is question number 4. Recall also that any of these things we mentioned, you can refer to your chemistry physics textbook and dig deeper. Find out the topic in that. Like this one is from radioactivity. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the following does not describe the image formed by a plane mirror? You should be familiar with this topic. I think it should be an SS2 work. Which of the following does not describe the image formed by a plane mirror? A. Erect. B. Literally inverted. C. Same distance from mirror as object. D. Magnified. The answer is same distance from mirror as object. Does not. Which of the following does not describe the image formed by a plane mirror? The answer is the image is erect, the image is literally inverted, the image is magnified, but the image is not same distance from mirror as erect objects. Okay, Let's look at question number 7. Are you still following? Which of the following best describes the energy changes which takes place when a steam engine drives a generator which lights a lamp? Which of the following best describe the energy changes when, this one is energy conversion topic in physics. Which of the following best describe the energy changes which take place when a steam engine drives a generator which lights a bulb? A. Heat energy to light energy to sound energy to kinetic energy, of course. Okay. B. Heat energy to kinetic energy to electrical energy to heat energy to light energy. Okay. C. Kinetic energy to light energy to heat energy to electrical energy. D. Electrical energy to kinetic energy to heat energy to light. The answer actually is B. The generator first of all will move from heat energy. The generator first of all will move from heat energy, then it will transform to kinetic energy, then which will now give us electrical energy, and that electrical energy will give us heat and light. Are you following? Do you understand this one? Cathode rays, of course you know cathode and anodes. Cathode rays are high energy electromagnetic waves. B. Protons. C. Neutrons. Then D. Streams of electrons. The answer is streams of electrons. Cathode rays are streams of electrons. Cathode rays are streams of electrons. I want you to be paying attention. Avoid any distraction. Anything distracting you now is your enemy, right? Don't be distracted. At the end of this video, you will qualify to receive free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus from me. Okay? A narrow beam of light. That is question number 9. A narrow beam of white light can be split into different colors by a glass prism. A narrow beam of white light can be split into different colors, especially 7 colors, or weave the 7 colors of the rainbow, by a glass prism. The correct explanation is that A. White light is an electromagnetic wave. B. The prism has all the colors of the white light. C. Different colors of white light travel with different speed in glass. D. White light has undergone total internal reflection in the prism. The answer actually is C. Different colors of white light travel with different speed in glass. Do you get it? Remember the question. A narrow beam of white light can be split into different colors by a glass prism. The reason is that different colors of white light travels with different speed in glass. Right? This is very, very important. The more you watch these things, this question I give you, the better. Let's look at question number 14. Shadows and eclipses result from the dash. Shadows and eclipses. You know what is eclipse now? Now I want to give you a first assignment because it always comes out in JAMB. Tell me the difference between eclipse of the sun and eclipse of the moon. Eclipse of the sun, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. This is the first assignment I'm giving you in this video. And I've taught you, if you have been following our videos in this channel, Noble Tutorials, you know there is a reason I give any assignment. Any assignment I give, there is already a reason why I picked that particular assignment. So go find out for me the reason, the difference between eclipse of the sun and eclipse of the moon. Shadows and eclipses result from the dash. A. Refraction of light. B. Reflection of light. C. Diffraction of light. D. Rectilinear propagation of light. I remember we did this practical while I was still in secondary school, right? We did this practical. I can't remember the particular class we were. I was once the lab prefect of my school. the lab prefect, because I was a science student. I was the lab prefect, so we did quite some practicals in Queen's Model School in Enugu. Okay, shadows and eclipses result from the dash: A, reflection of light, refraction of light, reflection of light, diffraction of light, rectilinear propagation of light. The answer actually is D, rectilinear propagation of light. Now I want to give you a second assignment. I want you to tell me the difference between refraction of light and reflection of light. Tell me the difference between refraction of light and refraction of light. Are you still with me? Are you following? At the end of this video, you will receive the promised materials of syllabus, past questions free of charge. Now, I also want you to know that I've been doing a series of videos on chemistry, on biology, on use of English, on Lekki Headmaster, on mathematics, past question, Expo question, teachings, classes on this subject, is specifically targeted for you to pass JAMB. If you need me to give you access to all the videos free, I can give them to you free. Just tell me to give you the link and mention the subject. Give me the link and mention the subject. I will share them with you free of charge. Okay? Number 15. Which of the following obeys Ohm's law? Which of the following obeys Ohm's law? A, all metals. B, diode only. C, all electrolytes. D, glass. The answer is all metals. Now, the third assignment, I will disturb you, but it's for your own good. Remember, we are studying. It is not just for you to come for this, watch my videos, watch all the videos we are doing. It's not for fun. JAMB is a very serious admission. It's a very serious subject. It's unlike your class exam. It's unlike your WAEC and NEC exam. This one determines whether you enter university this year or not. It determines even the school you enter, which automatically shapes your destiny and your life. So we are not joking with it. Any assignment I gave you is for you to know that this is not a movie you are watching. You are watching preparation for your exam. So go over and work on this third assignment. State Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. State Ohm's law for me. State Ohm's law for me. Okay? Let's look at question number 16. Which of the following statements are true of isotopes? Which of the following statements are true of isotopes? Remember isotopes. Isotopes. I want you to pay attention. Pay attention to this particular question. Okay, I remember this particular isotopes of carbon. So the questions are always emanating from it almost every year. Which of the following statements are true of isotopes? A, isotopes of an element have the same chemical properties because they have the same number of electrons. Pay attention. Let's not rush. Okay. Which of the following statements are true of isotopes? A, isotopes of an element have the same chemical properties because they have the same number of electrons. B, isotopes of elements are normally separated using physical properties. C, that is II. Isotopes of an element has the same number of protons in the nuclei. Okay, so the options here are A, I and II. B, I and III. C, I and III. D, I and III. The answer actually is C, I and III. Why? Isotopes of elements are normally separated using physical properties. B, isotopes of an element has the same number of protons in the nuclei. Okay, let's look at the next question, the next theory question, question number 18. Which of the following may be used to explain a mirage? If you have entered car and you are traveling on a very sunny day and on a Kota road, you must have experienced mirage several times. Which of the following may be used to explain a mirage? A, layers of air near the road surface have varying refractive indices in hot weather? B. Road surfaces sometimes become good reflectors in hot weather. 3. Light from the sky can be reflected upward after coming close to the road surface. The answer, this is question 18. The answer is A, I and I. Layers of air near the road surface have varying refractive indices in hot weather, and light from the sky can be reflected upward after coming close to the road surface. Do you understand? Okay, let's look at the next question, and we'll be looking at question number 20. Question number what? Question number 20. Okay. Which of the following has the lowest internal resistance when new? Which of the following, if you have studied the topic on cell, which of the following has the not biology cell or physics cell, which of the following has the lowest internal resistance when new? A. Leclerc cell. B. Daniel cell. C. Touch battery. D. Accumulator. In the next video, we will continue from question number 20. Now, for you to get free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, what you need to do, 4 things. Join our YouTube channel. You can see the option, the button to join. Click on join, fill up the space and join our YouTube channel. Very, very important, very compulsory. Then 2, like this video, very important. 3, share this video. Just click on share, copy the link, share it here on YouTube, share it on all the Telegram groups you belong to, share it on all the WhatsApp groups, on all the X groups you belong to, all the groups where JAMB candidates like you are gathered. Then, most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe, turn on the notification. Then when you have done these things, remember I said join this channel, Noble Tutorials. Very important and compulsory. Then like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I subscribed, I'll chat you up and send to you all the materials you need. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it and watch now.